So the type 2 examples in double integration are: evaluate the double integration when the limits are not given. You will be given the region over which the double integration has to be carried out, and the limits you have to find with the help of that particular region. So look at the question: evaluate double integration x square y square dx dy over positive quadrant of x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is your region. So what does x square plus y square is equal to 1 represent? It is a circle. So this is your circle, and now this is your entire circle. But what is said? Over positive quadrant of this. So this is the positive quadrant. These are not the positive quadrant. So you are asked only this much area. So this is the area which is asked. Now from which I have to find out the limits of x and y. Now there are two ways to look at the limits. First, either you can take the internal limits of y and external limits of x, or opposite. So I'll tell you what is the meaning of taking inner limits to be of y. If I consider a vertical strip, then vertically first this line is y is equal to 0, and what is the equation of this curve? This curve is x square plus y square is equal to 1. So as y will become root of 1 minus x square. Therefore limits of y will become 0 to root of 1 minus x square. And then when I move this vertical strip from the starting point, this part of the required area, till the end point, here x is 0 and here x is 1, radius of the circle. So therefore it is bounded between these two lines. So x is equal to 0 to 1 of x square y square, whose limits I have taken first? Internal y. So first I have to integrate with respect to y and then with respect to x. So is it clear? This is by using vertical strip. Similarly, I can interchange this role by taking first the inner limit of x, for which I will have to consider the horizontal strip. If I consider the horizontal strip, then lower limit of x is 0, upper limit of x I won't take 1 because upper limit is this curve. So for that x will become root of 1 minus y square. Then I will do the integration of x from 0 to root of 1 minus y square with respect to x first, then do its integration with respect to y. The horizontal strip, when I move from down till up, the minimum value of y is 0 and the maximum value of y here is 1. So either you can take a vertical strip or horizontal strip. In this example, anyone you take, it will be same, giving you same answer, because the function which is there inside is having same degree of x as well as y, and the integration is also not difficult. So either you first integrate with respect to y or with respect to x, only the limits will change but final answer will be same. So in the next video we will see how do we evaluate the integration.